Hello everyone. My name is Ashish Hande, studying in second year E&TC. Today I'm going to present a presentation on data analytics lab examination. My outlines contents are to first, that is to draw the scatter plot of weight, height, MRI count given by the given file of CSV, that is brain size. And second, that is what is the difference between append and extend. Third, that is to create a one-dimensional and two-dimensional array using different methods. And fourth, that is data visualization. As a first question, to draw a scatter plot. I will show it in execution. Here it is. In this execution manner, I have put it first import the pandas to read the data CSV file, that is a brain size.csv. And the SEP is equal to mean separation parameter of the values, and NA is the values of initial counting values of a folder. After that, I have the pandas is used to import plotting parameters of data that is given by the brainside.csv. As scatter plot is in x and y parameter, and also the color, that is I have chose to the red of scatter there for the height, and second, that is for the MRI count of the given table, and also the height of given table. Now, second problem that was is to what is the difference between append and extend. In appends, it adds a single element to the end of the list, and only the length of list increased by one. And in extends, iterates over it arguments, adding each element to the list, and the length itself gets increased by one as we add a one element in the list, and the length increase by however many elements you add in the list. As example of the append, here you can see, as we add only one element to the list, it directly adds in the end of the list. And in the extend list, you have here you can see each and every element is added, and the length of list increase one by one however you add elements. And third, that is to create a one dimensional and two dimensional numpy arrays. As you can see in the one dimensional array, there is only one value in collection of object in order, and the second, that is the two dimensional array, you can reshape the columns and rows in the given array. In example, I shown here execution of program that to import mm, numpy as an array, to arrange 20 values in the array to 0 to 19, that is order accordingly to in the array from 0 to 19. And in second, that is a two-dimensional array, you can reshape the columns by 4 and 5, 3 and 4, as you can see. I have used 4 by 5 to create rows and columns in two-dimensional array. So the four that I have choose that is the data visualization. Data visualization is basically to put information in order to as a visual representation of like charts or graphs. The library used in data visualization, that are the Seaborn, Matplotlib, Pandas, and also the Plotty. In Matplotlib, you can create 2D graphs as a basic plots. In Seaborn, you can provide a high-level interfaces to bring the pair plots, also bar plots, histogram, and also the scatter plot. In Pandas, the Pandas is used to build a Matplotlib, and in Plotty, you can create interactive plots. As I executed a program, here it in Jupyter Lab. As you can see here, it is first that is the bar plot that I have chose from C++, Java, Python as a bar plots for me. The course offered by and the number of students enrolled in. So as you can see, I have taken NumPy and the Matplotlib library to create a bar plot in this. So as X label is offered as course offered and the Y label is I choose for a number of students enrolled in bar plot. So there's the second that I have used the line chart and also the histogram, also box plot. It's using a Seaborn light, and here is a pair plot that is using a Seaborn. And now, as you can see, the references I took from the sites that are the Pulse Trade, Python examples, and Gigs for Gigs. And thank you.